Hey everybody, so a little bit different scenery than my normal videos. We're actually in the middle of a tropical storm right now, and I was charging up my power banks because there's definitely some power outages going on in this area. And I had this one here, and the reason why I have not charged it is because when I went to test it by attempting to charge my phone, it did nothing. Well, that's because the circuit here has basically locked out the power bank because the battery voltage is too low. And this is one of those power bank kits you can get on eBay, maybe Amazon, I don't know. I've had these for a few years, and I want to point out an issue with these power banks that will cause them to over discharge your cells. So basically, these power banks, you can buy them and you just more or less install your own 18650 batteries in here. The thing about this is it has this little LED here, and there's a little push button here where you can turn the LED on and off. And you can see right now it's not doing anything. The problem with this design is this LED and this little power button to turn on the LED effectively bypasses the protection on this board. So if you have this, let's say, in a purse or in a drawer or whatever, and it matches this button and turns this LED on, this LED will slowly but surely over discharge your cells. And these are actually a little over discharged. They're not down to the point where they can't be saved. Usually with these lithium ion batteries, as long as they have at least 2 volts on them, generally you can recover them. Although some may have mixed opinions on this. I can't exactly endorse doing this, but let me turn my meter on first. We have 2.34 volts on this battery. So both these cells together are 2.3 volts. It's 2 cells in parallel, so each cell is at the same voltage. Positive is connected to positive, and negative is connected to negative. So I'm going to attempt to fix this power bank, and the way I'm going to do that is first I'm going to take out these cells, and then I'm going to cut out this LED. I have another one of these power banks just like this, and I had removed the LED and have not had that issue with that power bank. So give me just a moment to get my tools and we're going to take care of this. The reason why I'm not filming in the computer room is because I got a camera set up in there filming out the window at this storm. Okay, so first I'm going to remove the cells just for safety. And I'm going to take my pliers and just cut out this LED here. Try to anyway. I probably should use, as a matter of fact, these are too big. Let me get my other pliers. Okay, so I got these cutters here, which are a lot more narrow. You can get into tighter spaces. So I'm going to try to just cut this right out of here. And in case you're wondering, yes, I do have other means of charging my phones and stuff like that. Matter of fact, I got a jump starter in my Jeep that has a built-in USB power bank function. But I'm just looking at this just for the heck of it. Alright, so we have snipped out the near useless LED. It's out of there. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop these batteries back in here. Well, first I'm going to see if they have increased in voltage a little bit now that they're separated. 2.34 and 2.34. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop these on my actual 18650 charger. It's an OPUS BT-C3400. It has a smart recovery feature for cells that are over discharged, because when these things get below 3 volts you gotta be careful with them. or especially when they get below 2.5. They're just below 2.5. They're at 2.34. So I'm gonna do this off camera. And if I can, I'll find a video to put in the either description or a card. That way you can go back and look and see how this charger can recover cells that are over discharged. Okay, so I just put them on my OPUS charger for a moment, and they've already bounced back up to about 3 volts. I think this meter here showed like 2.98 volts. It took like maybe 30 seconds or a minute tops. They bounced right back up. So now I'm going to go ahead and insert these cells back into this power bank. And then we can use this power bank to charge them like usual. This thing charges at a pretty low current anyways. Alright, just making sure we got good connection there. And we'll go ahead and reinstall the cover. And I should note the cells did not get warm at all when I was charging them a minute ago. And when I took them off the charger, like I said, they kind of fell back down to like 2.98, so nothing unusual. And now I'll plug this into a USB port and we'll see what we get. Okay, let's see what we get here. Okay, it is charging. So if you have one of these power banks like this, I would suggest cutting out that LED, that useless LED. That way it doesn't over discharge your cells, because this is a dumb design. The USB port over here will shut off when the cells get down to, like, I guess 3 volts or something like that. But the LED, they just run it basically right off the cells through a dropper resistor and this push button here. So now when you press the button, nothing happens. So if that button gets pressed, it will not, or at least it should not, discharge your cells. So anyways, hopefully this is helpful. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching this video from Q channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and tick the bell so you get notified of a new video I post. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends to get the word out. In addition, I have a second YouTube channel, that's QCompMTDX. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.